People thought Ada had the perfect marriage. Every evening, she cooked the most delicious meal. The aroma from her kitchen filled the compound. Neighbors would even say, "Your husband is lucky. The way you cook, he must be the happiest man alive." Ada would just smile. But there was one secret nobody knew. Every night, her husband never touched the food. He would sit at the table, look at the meal for a few seconds, smile softly at Ada, and then say, "I am not really hungry tonight." At first, Ada thought he was just tired from work, but it kept happening. One day, 2 days, 1 week, one whole month. Yet every night, he still sat at the table with her, watching her eat, smiling like nothing was wrong. Ada heart began to break. One night while cooking, tears dropped into the soup. She whispered to herself, "Maybe he doesn't love me anymore." So that night, she decided to test him. Instead of cooking a full meal, she only made one small plate of rice. When her husband came home, he sat down like always. He looked at Ada, then he quietly pushed the plate towards her and said, "You should eat it." Ada couldn't hold it anymore. She burst into tears. "Why won't you eat my food? Did I do something wrong? Do you not love me again?" Her husband stood up slowly. Then he walked to her, held her hands gently, and finally told her the truth. "Ada, for the past months, I have been saving money secretly." Ada looked confused. He smiled and said softly, "I wanted to surprise you. I have been eating outside during lunch and skipping dinner so I can save enough money." Ada whispered, "For what?" He pulled something from his pocket, a small box. Inside it was a gold ring. He looked at her with the same eyes he had the day they met. "I wanted to marry you again, properly this time. A new wedding, the one you always dreamed of." Ada froze. Then the tears came again, but this time they were different. That night, the food finally got cold on the table because for the first time in a long time, they weren't thinking about the meal anymore. They were just holding each other. And Ada realized something that night. Sometimes the deepest love is hidden in the smallest sacrifice.